stuff is amazing. If you don't use, like I like coffee black pretty much, but a little splash of the zero sugar caramel macchiato stuff is amazing. I am back. I want to get the vlog started again. People keep telling me like, we miss your YouTube videos. So here we are. We're starting up the vlog again. I'm at home right now. Today's a day old coffee day. I don't know about you, but I don't like wasting coffee. So if I still have coffee in the pot, I'm going to use it from the day before and heat it up. Yeah, I don't like spending money on stuff. So I'm going to get as much use out of it as I can. Today's an assembly day. So I need to get ready. I'm heading to a school today to do 2 assemblies all about Be the Yellow with, I think it's pre-K through 5th graders. We're gonna do 2 assemblies, like pre-K through 2nd, 3rd through 5th grade. I love doing assemblies. It's one of my favorite things to go share stories, share motivation, share some kindness with kids. We do a little bit of a writing activity. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna bring you along and kind of share what it's like to do an assembly with me. So yeah, let's do that. So I'm sitting here editing this vlog and I realized that all of the content I shot in my car apparently didn't capture any audio. I don't know if it's because my phone was hooked up to CarPlay or what, but I basically was talking about how amazing these assemblies were and how awesome it was to go work with these kids. It was so much fun. We talked all about Be the Yellow. Here are some pictures from the day and the fun that we had. So yeah, thanks for watching.